Hey beautiful queens, welcome back to my channel. First off, before we even get started, I need you to click the subscribe button if you are not a part of this queendom yet. I don't know what you're waiting on, like seriously, click the subscribe button right now. It's free, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started. So this is my DIY tutorial on the rubber band method for box braids. Basically I separate my hair. I did jumbos, so my spaces are a little bit larger than normal. I separate my hair, I apply whatever type of conditioner and holding gel that you prefer. I use jam and I go from there and add on the rubber band. Here I'm taking the section of braiding hair. Now previously, before I began the video, I did fray the ends of my braiding hair to give me a smooth finish. Once I finish braiding, from here I use my hair as the third piece. And I began braiding around the rubber band just like I would a regular braid, but I find that using the rubber band method gives so much more of a better hold. And here, as I get farther beyond the braid, I'm adding more of the extension braid hair to that parting of my hair. So I'm combining that third piece that was my natural hair with the extension braid hair. And here you can still see that separation even once I get to the bottom. So throughout the braid, I'm adding jam to just smooth out those rough parts to give me a really sleek finish. From here, I'm going to go ahead and dip my hair in hot water. I used an old Christmas cup that I was not using, and I put boiling water on the inside. Make sure you use a towel because this can be really dangerous and hot. I make sure that I dip all of the hair into the water for a few seconds, take it out and dry it with a towel. So once it's all dry, I went ahead and added some hair accessories that I got from my beauty supply store. I'm not even sure what these accessories are called, but basically it's like hair string. So I chose the colors red and gold because the braiding hair that I'm using is a 4, a 1B, an ombre with a 1B and a 27, and also an ombre with a 1B and a 99J. So I have a lot of different funky colors in my hair, so I wanted to add in some accessories that kind of go along with that. Okay, queens, so what I did is I added some red string to like 2 strands over here, and then I did some gold and red on this side. I'm really excited about this look. I think it looks really good, and it was super affordable. It didn't cost me much. It didn't take long for me to do. The rubber band method compared to the old-fashioned way that I'm used to is like way easier. I like it a lot better. It makes it easier to grip. It makes it easier to hold, and it feels like more secure in a way. So I didn't do any major slicking down of my baby hairs. I wanted to keep it kind of simple, but I am really excited with the finished look of this hair. The earrings that I'm wearing is by a company called So Rebellious. Their earrings are popping, y'all. They're so dope. They give like an 80s glam feel, and you guys know I love my vintage, so make sure you check them out. I'll have everything in the description. But let me know what you think about this protective style. I absolutely love it, and I feel like it's so cute for the summertime.